Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jeenam Shah. Today we are going to be discussing about Synchrobreathe. This is a Breath-Actuated Metered-Dose Inhaler. It's a metered-dose inhaler, but it is breath-actuated. You don't need to press it for it to get activated. So we'll see today how to use it. You can see there are two parts. One is the mouthpiece and then this is the inhaler. You need to remember 3 clicks. First is the click of opening. Second is the click of inhalation. And third is a click of closing. We'll see how to use the inhaler. First of all, sit straight, upright, shake the inhaler pretty well, open the mouthpiece, the click, then hold it tightly between your lips. After holding for 10 seconds or as much as you can, exhale it. Then close and click sound again. If you need to repeat the dosages, you can repeat the same steps again. Always remember, rinse your mouth and gargle and spit out the water after using the inhaler. So there are 2-3 questions we need answer. First question is, how would you know that how many dosages are left? If you see it clearly, there are some kind of numbers which are written at the back. These are the remaining doses. The new inhaler will have 120 doses. As and when you start using, at the count of every 20, say 120 to 180, it will keep on decreasing. Once it becomes less than 40, it will show a red line. And once it becomes 0, that means you have to discard and buy a new inhaler. Please don't use it after it is 0. There would be some air which is coming with pressure, but there would be absolutely no medicines in it. One more thing is, you will see a button here. It's called as a test button. So whenever you have bought a new inhaler or you are using an inhaler after a long time, it needs to be activated properly. So again, the same thing, you shake it well, you open the cap and then you press this. You can see this air comes in. So whenever you, only at the time of buying a new device, that is the time you use it, otherwise you don't need to use this button again. The next question is how to clean the Synchrobreathe. Again, open it with a click and use a cloth to clean this mouthpiece and again close it back. Please do not use water to clean the Synchrobreathe and no need to put it in the water also to clean it. Thank you for watching this video on Synchrobreathe device. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment box. We'll be more than happy to answer those questions.